Ryobi to Dewalt battery adapter. Following are 5 Ryobi to Dewalt battery adapter converter with USB socket compatible for Dewalt 20V and Milwaukee 18V Li-ion battery convert to Ryobi 18V P108AB P1801AB P1803 battery. DM18RL battery adapter converter with USB socket compatible for Dewalt DCB 220V or M18 18V Li-ion battery convert to Ryobi 18V P108AB P1801AB P1803 battery. Number 2 adapter for Dewalt to Ryobi battery. This DM18RL adapter is designed for use Dewalt 20V Max XR lithium battery running Ryobi 18V cordless tools. Replace Ryobi P104, P105, P102, P10. More details and professional review, please check the link in the description.